This is a deck that I purchased recently, the Light Seers Tarot. When I saw it with one of my friends, I literally fell in love with this deck. I loved the feel of it, the energies, the messages that this deck conveys. It's like literally acknowledging our light as well as the dark side, which is what tarot is about. Acknowledging the good, the bad, and taking everything in your stride. The cards are beautiful, the images, the paintings are so pretty, and they convey so many messages. It's also a very contemporary deck, and I'm really looking forward to doing more readings with this deck. So you might be seeing this deck featured in my readings in the next few coming weeks, and I'm really excited to be using this.